Here there is a diagram of the place where oil is extracted. It shows how the oil is extracted and where is the oil found. The part which is shown here shows that this is the sea, and if you go inside the sea you reach the bottom of the sea. When you reach the bottom of sea you have to dig inside and then you go inside it. When you go deep inside the bottom, here there is water, and when you go inside you dig inside and you reach a layer which is shown here as dotted line. So there are two layers shown here. You can see oil is found preserved between these two layers. Now why are these two layers? The lower layer which is shown here is the prehistoric sea. It is the prehistoric bottom of the sea. Above it there was water, and above that, in that water, animals lived. When those animals died, their dead bodies got preserved. When those animals died, their dead bodies got preserved, and the this part was the bottom of the sea at that time. Above it there was water which was earlier. So animals who lived there, when they died, their dead bodies settled down and they got collected at the bottom. Slowly the sediments started collecting over them, and these sediments formed a hard layer which you are seeing shown here. So this hard layer is the layer between which this first layer and this second layer is the oil found. So today when we see this hard layer and above it there is another layer which is shown, this is the hard layer and this is the bottom of the sea. So when you dig inside you have to go through the water. From this water you have to go inside and reach this layer, and then you go inside. So there oil is found. When you dig inside you reach the oil, and above the oil there is gas. So at the bottom it is showing water is there, above it you see the oil, and above the oil you have gas. So when you dig inside, the gas comes out first, which is the petroleum gas. This is the natural gas. This natural gas comes out, and then you take out the oil. This oil which is taken out is black in color. This is then purified, and then you get petroleum and other products. Below it there is water. This is the water which is the prehistoric water. This is not the present water. This is the water which lied inside the earth, inside the bottom of the sea in the prehistoric time. So today this part is having water, and the bottom of the sea is here. So the animals who died, they were preserved, they got converted into oil, and they are seen in this part. When you dig inside, the oil comes out, and along with the oil other components are also extracted.